Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Android phone to an Arzopa Portable Monitor in 2026. Now this lets you use your phone with a bigger screen for gaming, videos, work and more. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Arzopa Portable Monitor supports the phone connections. Now, most of the Arzopa monitors work with USB-C or HDMI input. So, using a USB-C cable is the fastest way for the connection. So here you need to get a USB-C to USB-C cable. It is going to look something like this. Now here you need to plug one end of it to your Android phone. After that, you need to plug the other end of it into the monitor's USB-C port. Now the monitor should detect your phone automatically and your phone screen will appear on the monitor. Now if the screen doesn't show right away, you can unlock your phone and check the settings. Some of the phones ask for the permissions to share the screen. Now you can also establish the connection with the help of the HDMI port or HDMI cable or USB to HDMI cable. So if your monitor only has the HDMI input, you can use a USB-C to HDMI adapter. Then you can connect the adapter to your phone, plug the HDMI cable from the adapter into the monitor. Then you can switch the monitor into the HDMI and your phone screen should now show on the portable monitor. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.